Among the hundreds of fast radio bursts discovered, one stands apart. It doesn't just repeat, it repeats on a schedule. Meet FRB 1T0916, a radio signal from space that seems to operate with astonishing precision. Every 16.35 days, it flares up. For 4 days, it pulses with strange millisecond-long bursts. Then, it goes silent. For the next 12 days, not a single blip. Then it starts again, over and over, like clockwork. This behavior stunned astronomers. In a universe where most events are chaotic, random explosions, unpredictable movements, fading flashes, this signal felt different, almost mechanical. And that raised a very big question. Is this a natural object or something else entirely? To understand why FRB 1800916 is so significant, let's rewind. Most FRBs are one-time events. They flash once, then never again. Some, like FRB 1211102, repeat, but without any predictable pattern. So when scientists at the Canadian Chime Observatory noticed the 16-day cycle, it was a breakthrough. It wasn't just repeating, it was timing. Such precision in astrophysics is rare. Even pulsars, those rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation, can be a little irregular over time. But this signal? It was eerily reliable. And it wasn't weak. These bursts, even from a galaxy 500 million light-years away, were strong enough to be picked up on Earth. That implies incredible power. Or incredible focus. So what could it be? Some scientists think it may come from a neutron star orbiting a massive companion, like a black hole. As the neutron star swings closer, its radio beam is briefly visible from Earth. Then, as it moves away, the signal disappears. That could explain the cycle. Others suggest a magnetar, a neutron star with an extremely strong magnetic field, trapped in a dense stellar wind that blocks the signal for part of its orbit. These are plausible, but they're not confirmed. And that uncertainty has opened the door to wilder ideas. What if we're not seeing a natural process? What if the signal is a beacon designed to repeat on purpose? Not randomly, not chaotically, but with intent. Could an advanced civilization be transmitting across the stars, trying to get attention? Is FRB 1800916 a cosmic lighthouse? Of course, there's no proof of alien technology, but there's also no law in science that forbids the question. As Carl Sagan once said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And we don't have that yet. But here's the thing. We're getting better at listening. New arrays of radio telescopes, like the Square Kilometre Array, will soon be able to scan the sky with unprecedented sensitivity. They might pick up more signals like FRB 1800916. They might even detect patterns within the pulses. Modulation, encoding, information. And if they do, then everything changes. At Infinity Beyond, we believe mystery is the first step toward understanding. FRB 1800916 might be a natural wonder, or it might be a whisper from the stars. Either way, it challenges us to keep looking, to keep questioning, to keep listening, because the cosmos isn't silent. Sometimes it speaks with rhythm, and sometimes it feels like it's speaking to us.